How does a flawless data definition score an absolute 0? Let's decode this massive Cambridge IT exam mystery. Imagine grinding out the perfect technical answer on data processing, only to get slammed with a 0. How is that even possible? What hidden mechanism is the examiner actually demanding from you here? Well, you've just fallen into the trap of isolated memorization. You completely ignored the real-world scenario. Generic theory is a total dead end. Contextual, real-world application is the only way to unlock marks. The mystery deepens when students mix up data streams, like collecting firsthand versus pulling from existing sources. Or they completely blur validation, checking if data is logical, with verification, which just checks accuracy. The exact same fatal confusion strikes between online and real-time processing, where split-second precision literally changes everything. So how do we fix this? By upgrading your memory structure using a brilliant 4-prompt framework. To build a rock-solid pathway to full marks, you gotta follow these 4 specific sequential steps. First up, clearly define what the technology is, but strictly within the examiner's unique scenario. Next, explain exactly how the mechanism works step by step. Picture it like a visible chain reaction. Then, anchor it directly to where it's happening. Is it a payroll system or a secure database? Finally, you have to justify why this choice beats the alternative for this specific real-world workplace. Let's pause and test this. What happens if you explain validation perfectly, but totally ignore the hospital scenario? Boom, you drop straight back to 0. Cambridge IT demands applied real-world reasoning, not just rote theory. See how every single clue connects back? That vital connection is your ultimate mark-winning insight. The principle examiners demand is absolute here. If you can't adapt your knowledge to reality, you fail. So level up your revision cycle. Fix definitions, rehearse procedures, and crucially, always adapt to new contexts. Context is everything. But what if you misread the hidden command words? Find out in our next explainer.